how to set text messages show as bubbles to all, selected only, or none on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then we go to the top here and tap on the profile icon. From the pop-up, tap on Messages Settings. Then tap on Notifications. Now scroll down and then tap on Notification Categories. If you do not see this option, you need to turn it on in the Notification Advanced Settings and tap on Manage Notification Categories for each app. When this is turned on, it will become available in here. So now tap on Notification Categories, and then we go down and tap on Show as Bubbles. From here, you can select all, select only, or none. If you select all, then when you have an incoming message, it will show as a bubble. Now this one here has not been shown as bubbles because it probably has been override from the conversation level. So from here, if I tap on that conversation and if I go into details, and in here, if I tap on notifications, then you can see here it has been switched off. So I can turn on bubble this conversation. So you can override the settings from the main app. So this is the main app here. And for each of the conversation, you can override that settings. And that will allow you to customize notification settings just for that conversation only. If you don't go in and customize for each individual conversation, then the default settings from the apps will apply to all of the conversations below. And that's it. So that is how you can change it. So here I have set it as bubble, and you can see when I receive an incoming message, it will shows as a bubble. And that's it. So that is how you can switch it off. Now if I go back into my messages settings, now because I do not really like this floating bubbles, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to switch it off instead. Here it's also got bubbles, all, selected only. So we can go down and then tap on notification categories and then tap on incoming messages and choose to show it as bubbles or not. So it's up here. So we can set to all, selected all, or none. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.